people that have their LinkedIn QR code as their Zoom profile picture are now networking in a way that they usually would never have thought of until now. Okay, so we're gonna show you how to get your QR code off of your mobile phone and onto your computer. So right now I'm on an iPhone and I'm gonna click on my LinkedIn app. Now in the upper right hand corner where it says search, you'll see 4 little squares. I'm gonna click on those 4 little squares, and right now I could scan someone else's QR code, or I can actually click on my code. Now you can see my code. So at the bottom, it'll say share my code or save to photos. I want to save to photos, but I also want my image in there because I want to brand my image as well. So right there, I clicked on that. I'm going to say save with photo. Now that just saved the QR code with my photo. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to go into my my camera right here, and I'm going to pull up the QR code, and I'm going to click on the little bottom left hand corner. There's a box with the up arrow. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to email this to myself through my Gmail. So now I'm going to email my LinkedIn QR code to myself, and the subject line is going to say LinkedIn, right, QR code. QR code, and then I'm going to email that to myself. Now I have that, so now I can download the LinkedIn QR code. I can download that to my local computer, and then I can upload it into my Zoom link. I'll show you that in the next step. Okay, I just emailed myself the LinkedIn QR code. There it is right there. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to right button click, save image, and I'm going to put it on my D drive, I guess, this one right here, along with, I think I put it in multi-channel media holdings, right there, LinkedIn. So I'm putting this. So I'm just going to name this LinkedIn QR code, and then I'm going to say profile. All right, so I just saved that. Now I'm going to go over to Zoom. Now, of course, you guys all know, if you don't know by now, how to log into a Zoom with my account. You probably shouldn't be watching this. So here's my profile picture. So this is me in a DEA hat. Don't ask me why I have it up there. I'm going to replace that. So I'm going to change this, and I'm going to navigate over to the D drive, over to multi-channel media holdings, wherever that is, right? And then LinkedIn. There it is right there. So there's the code, okay? Now I'm gonna save that. So this code is saved there. Okay, so now you can see that I'm logged in under 2 different accounts. This is Shones Automation. This is my main account with the LinkedIn code. Now I can turn on the video with this, or I could turn off the video. When I turn off the video, it shows that. So when you're doing mixers, like at the Chamber of Commerce, or you're a coach and you're doing mixers, if your people were to log in with this code right now, I could take my phone. So I'm going to turn my phone on record mode. Okay, so what I can do now is I can either go in my LinkedIn app, or I could go to my smartphone camera. I'm going to go to my smartphone camera. Now, what you're going to see is you're going to see my screen here, right? It just zoomed in on the LinkedIn code. Do you see that? So now that I have that as my profile picture in Zoom, so you can see I'm in a Zoom account, and it just dropped that down at the top of my screen. I'm going to say open in LinkedIn, and now I can connect with people. So people that have their LinkedIn QR code as their Zoom profile picture are now networking in a way that they usually would never have thought of until now, because I just thought of it. This is another tip from your Uncle Shone, and another way to brand yourself and to get yourself in front of more people in less time so you can make a bigger impact. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.